It's about time I got back to a project. A coworker of mine has a motorcycle that has these weights on the end of the handlebars. Well, he wants to mount mirrors on the ends of his handlebars. So he bought some mirrors that are supposed to fit into the end of the handlebar. And there's a wedge to wedge them in. They've got a bolt that goes through them. Problem is, with the weight system, the handlebars are filled, and there's a nut that this bolts into. So there's not enough room for the wedging for the mirrors. But there's this flat, and I just need to make a little spool shape for the mirrors to clamp down onto. It's this diameter. So I'm going to turn this down to the same diameter and same width, making a spool shape. Now getting this decently heavy weight clamped in there, I've got this nub that I could try grabbing onto. Let's see how that works. I'm going to stand out of the way when I turn this on, because yes, I'm terrified. It'll be fine. I'm going to try squaring it up a little bit better so it doesn't wiggle. Alright, turns out the casting is not even. I guess it's not a super precision part, but I've got it centered up as best as I can now. I'm just hogging out some material, which I've got a fair ways to go. So, finished dimensions. That should be the same inside diameter. Both sides of the handlebars, original bolts. So this aluminum piece, super light, you get to keep your weights and bolt the mirrors in.